What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free Microsoft rewards points in 2024. I've managed to find an easy and fast way for free Microsoft rewards points, and it's ever so simple. This uses redeem codes, guys. This is completely legit, 100% safe. And whilst we're on the topic of 100, this is going to get you 100,000 free points for Microsoft rewards, and I'm going to show you now how to do it in this tutorial. So oops, that's just broken my MacBook Pro and put all sorts of nasty things on my screen, as you can see. But anyway, guys, you need to use your mobile phone. So pick up your mobile. You can see I'm using an iPhone, but it does also work on iOS as well, Android I should say. You need to basically go to this website, www.wavycoupons.com. So if you need to, you can pause the video. Make sure you copy this website, Wavy Coupons. Now, this website is absolutely awesome. They have tons and tons of different pages, literally maybe like 100 plus pages, I would guess. I haven't counted them, but go to the search bar and type in micro. And here we go, free Microsoft rewards points. So navigate your way to this page. You can see these codes are limited in number. And we were interested in this one at the top. 100,000 free Microsoft rewards points. So you need to get your code. So tap on the show code. Now you need to basically unlock your personal and exclusive Microsoft rewards points code. Obviously this code is pretty valuable. I think 100,000 points is around $100. I'm not 100% sure on that, but basically guys, you need to unlock your code. Now I've already done this, so I won't be able to do it again, but what you're going to need to do is click unlock code, and this is going to basically count up to 100%, as you can see. So let me just cancel it. But basically, guys, you're going to see a new screen once that completes, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your code. If this is your first time on Wavy Coupons, you will probably need to verify yourself, and to do that, you need to complete a couple of these free tasks, such as downloading and playing games or answering questions in a survey. But once you've done it, guys, your code will be fully revealed. So if you did go for this Microsoft Rewards one, your stars, these stars here, will turn into a code, and you can redeem it in the Microsoft Rewards platform, and it's going to give you 100,000 free points. So that is it, guys. Pretty easy. I hope I didn't damage my screen. I'm going to have to investigate. But yeah, head on over to Wavy Coupons and smash the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you next time. Peace out, guys.